Hi friends, today we are going to discussing reading the text file data. Our data is storing in text file like this: username, password, and some of the names and password given, and we want to read the complete data and column by column. Okay. Now that purpose we are going to first take an empty string and it will be as and we want to store the storing purpose using a string builder. String builder is basically suppose the multiple thread concept. Okay, that's why we are using the first as a string builder to storing the data, and we want to read the which is the data is presented in text file. We want to read the data purpose. We are using the file reader. It is in a Java IO packages. We want to keep it in that into, and this file data it will take 71% of the data. It will take the file path, which is the file it is taken. That one it will give the throw is in a file not found exception, it will support on that. And this one we are providing the file which location is present at that location. Path we are putting in here. Passing that file location. We will take double slash. Sorry. Backward slash. And also that one is thrown as a file not exception. If now file is not presented, it will throw as a file not exception. And we want to read which is the location, the path is there. We read that file, and we want to read the data. That purpose we are using buffer reader. It is this one also Java package is this one, and this one is taken as a file reader object. That's why we are creating the file reader object. This object we are passing here, and we want to read particularly type, and here we are reading that line. Here is an empty string we are putting. That line we want to store this buffer reader object dot read method is there. We want to read the entire data row by row, and we want to which is the data is coming to the string. That data we want to read first. Check if data is not equal to null, then we want to store as a string builder. String builder, why we are taking string builder? See, this is an immutable table sequence and characters. It will store as it will support the multiple thread concept. That's why we are using pd.append method is there. We want to store the append, and which data is coming to the string builder, that is it's not coming to the space, it is a read complete data. That's why we are using to give the string as some space. And see, and we want to read our mode on this method. And finally we want to be a dot close, and it will take the some exception. Okay, here is the, and if you want to see that data output, and you will see first we need to string array split equal to similar dot to string. The split method give some space and insert output and split. See the output will how it will go. See, this is not showing the data is properly. That's why we given to the sign double sign is this symbol. Now see this variable. Sorry, we want to see the data on this. We want to looping. Okay. Sorry. Array list. We want to add the equal to new array list. We want to loop this one for each str dot split and the ELD dot add method str. See that data, which is the data is coming to string builder. We are looping that for each loop, and we are given to the data is in one row. But we don't want like this. We want to keep it in row by row. That purpose we are taking the string buffer is a one method. We support the string single thread, and we are using this one to create a string buffer class object, and we want to loop each that row completely. Here equal to al dot size. This is size presented -1 li plus plus, and we want to give a string builder dot append, and we want to use the array object, array list object. Get the index position is 9 and close, and we need to store the data in each row. We want to present some space. That purpose we are giving space, and see the output how it will come. Sorry to slow. Okay. Now what will the output? Yeah, one more row it was function. There is no space, but it is coming the lines. Okay, but the claim purpose we are creating one more array like string array split 1 equal to string builder dot to string dot split, and we want to use some space, and we want to store like this. Everything is different than now we want to change something. We need to loop it, and for loop int we want to j equal to 2, and j is greater than or equal to split 1 dot length. So I want to read the entire length. That's why I'm creating here for each loop, and you want to see the data not like this. In username and password I don't want. If it is both is coming online, it will not like this. Okay, that's the purpose I'm not creating this one. And which are coming to j is divisible by 2 double equal to 0. That's if is even number, then I want to store as a name split one energy okay. Else I want to see that string pass equal to split one. If it is odd number, then I want to store here its completion. See, row by row it reads complete. See, this is the username and password is coming the lower. Then I don't want to see the username and the row is started as in a 0 1 2 is in a location. Here it is coming. That's why I taken is a for loop is in a j equal to 2. 0 and 1 I don't want. Remaining things I want, right? That's why I taken as an length minus 1, and if it is an even number, the position is 2, it is divisible by 0. That's why its name is an even number. First it reads, and second row I want to split that one. It's splitting and space is coming. Then it will come here. Locus password is second one. If we use Selenium to log in, then it is coming to the same thing. Okay. Everything is correct and it is going correct. Yeah. That's it. Today we are discussing to read how to read the text file using Java, and next video I will update how to log in using Selenium by using the text file data. How we are reading here, the same way we are putting into the Selenium code and we are logging using the text file data. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like my video, and if you want support, please subscribe my video.